What is AI or artificial intelligence means? It can be simply defined as intelligent machines that can work just like humans. Can these machines be smarter than humans in future? What would happen to the world if a singularity take place? Anyhow, it is important to consider about how people should treat to AI an inevitable singularity and what ethical or moral values will it have. AI is still in a developing stage, and many companies are working towards developing it, and their main idea is to fulfill human needs. The problem is, should we treat these machines as humans? How can machines distinguish between what is right and wrong? How can they have emotions, feelings, or good morals? It is possible to implement them within these machines. With these questions in mind, a group of researchers in South Korea has designed a robot to see how they interact with people accordingly to the way they are treated. As a result of this, they have made a tortoise-shaped robot called Shelly, and it reacts same as the real natural turtles. To test this, they asked a group of children to pet Shelly nicely so that it indicates it's happy by moving legs, at the meantime lighting up the 3D printed shell. But when the children hurt Shelly, it curls back to the shell and stops interacting anymore. Likewise, if this technology gets improved and robots become able to interact with people more intelligently, just like living beings, are they supposed to have ethical or moral rights? The above same question can be applied if AI is able to pass the Turing test. The Turing test is a simple test of a machine's communication ability. In that case, if a machine able to pass the Turing test, it exhibits the capability of communication, and that is difficult to be considered as a perfect confirmation to predict that it displays human level intelligence or consciousness. Anyways, you can't predict about technology because it keeps improving day by day. Stephen Hawking has suggested that perhaps we should all stop for a moment and focus not only on making our AI better and more successful, but also on the benefit of humanity. As far as I believe, if a machine ever be able to process same as a human, ethical models, morals, and rights should also apply to them as they become a part of human civilization. The AI technology has already implemented in our day-to-day use devices such as smartphones, laptops, smartwatches, etc. Siri is one of the finest examples for this, which can be considered as most popular personal assistants offered by Apple devices today. The friendly female voice helps the user to find information, get directions, make calls, send text messages, open applications, and much more. It is basically capable of understanding natural language questions and requests by using a machine learning technology. Apart from smartphones, automobiles are also shifting towards AI. Companies like Uber, Google, Tesla, and other major automakers have been working on developing various self-driving technologies. Those self-driving cars are considered with most common features like adaptive cruise control, automated forward collision braking system, automatic parking, autopilot, lane keep assist, sign recognition, steering assist, and some of these have been already implemented in many cars. Other than that, Amazon is a major company which has been working on many new technologies. Amazon Prime Air can be described as one of them, which uses drones to safely deliver packages up to 5 pounds in less than 30 minutes. Their first unmanned flight took place on December 2016, and it notes that delivery of goods and food by air is a proper way to ensure safety and reliability of operations, a system which is also the Amazon's top priority. Amazon Go is another interesting technology that has been implemented by Amazon, which allows customers to use Amazon Go app to check in, and thereafter the entire shopping experience is designed to be automated as customers are automatically charged from their accounts when they leave the store. Even though these technologies can be extremely beneficial to us, they might have some consequences as well, such as self-driving cars can cause accidents which can be dangerous to passengers and pedestrians. Professor Neil Lawrence, part of Amazon's AI team, said these systems don't just require more information than humans to understand concepts of recognized features, they require hundreds of thousands times more. People can design machines in order to achieve what they want, but still it can be useful or dangerous to humankind. The first robot citizen, Sophia, once said she will destroy humans. Sophia's creator, David Hansen, asked Sophia during an interview, "Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no." With a blank expression, Sophia responded, "Okay, I will destroy humans." Even though AI is meant to solve the problems of people, it can still have some consequences and negative impacts as well. According to my knowledge, the world would become a more technological based place to live in. Almost every person would be busy with their daily routines, and robots like machines would help them to achieve those daily tasks. Things like self-driving cars, robots, self-checkout grocery stores would be more common. Almost every task could be achieved without human involvement, and the ability of multitasking will take place. For example, if you have a self-driving car, you can go to whatever you want while the car takes you to the destination. Even though these technological advances help you in many ways, human beings will also automatically become robots like machines. Hans Moravec of Carnegie Mellon University Robotics Institute predicts that by 2015, freely moving robots that outperform humans both physically and intellectually will run entire business by themselves. More notably, these advances in technology could interfere on individuals interacting with each other and will impact on human relationships. When applying data analysis to this topic, these AI-based technologies will enhance human capabilities, creativity, and efficiency. But it obsoletes things such as jobs, human relationships, human interactions, which creates a negative impact on human civilizations. What it retrieves back is society's interest in manufacturing, access to more information, and business-related ideas. At last, it reverses into producing dangerous items such as weapons. Robots can be used for wars and illegal activities, and if the machines like robots are used in improper ways, human existence can be at risk. Although there are many uses of AI and it is a great advancement of technology, it can create a violation of world orders. For example, people would get used to have robotic companions without interacting with real humans or animals. It is true that human-like robots can serve people in different ways, but can it be considered as natural? So this would take away human relationships and society would become more used to interact with artificial creations. Other than that, AI can violate equitable distribution of science or technology-related benefits. This is because people with more money can buy robots like machines and make their tasks easier by living a much more comfortable life, and on the other hand, people still have to suffer about making money, finding food, and almost surviving their lives. So, there is also always a negative effect for some part of the society due to these kind of advances in technology, as it not equally beneficial to all the people. AI can also lead to create a public harm of aggregation because people with negative minds can use robots like machines for illegal purposes. For example, people can even use a robot to kill someone or steal someone's valuable things. This can increase the number of illegal activities and criminal cases and will be a threat to the humans as it creates many issues and conflicts within a society. In conclusion, these huge advances in technology will heavily impact on our society, and hopefully we will have a better future without destroying humanity. Thanks for listening.